Andrew Production presents Hunting the Dirk, The Last Crusade Redux.
It's been a long, hard year. We've lost a lot of good people, and we're coming back for the last time. With me, I got the 4 greatest men trained worldwide. This thing ain't living past tonight. Let's go, boys.
Ready? 3. Alphabet 6. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Watch each other's backs. Watch each other's backs.
Oh my God. Started busy.
Where'd all this lightning come from?
Split up. Move in groups of 2. Groups of 2.
That's it.